I have a poem for Norco.
Hi.
A boy, blonde hair, like the warm summer sun, vibrant, full of life with the blue eyes that we surround it. During the day, they seem like tropical pools, inviting me to sink into their depths. In the evening, they were like twin stars, sparkling with delight, giving light and hope to my times of darkness. 6 stars, like 3 on each cheek, accent the mischief on his face. He stands tall, strong, like a pillar of strength, like an idol that should be worshipped with honor and respect. Yet I see the looks that others give, so full of hate. I don't understand. Yes, he makes mistakes, so what? He is strong because he gets back up.
The rules went
Always.
away.
He never gives up. He gives his all. He tries to make the looks of the stuff go away by sheer force. I want to reach out to show him that he's not alone in his pain, but I cannot. I don't know why, but I fear to. Afraid to fly close to the sun that warms my heart and gives me strength. Afraid to be lost in the depths of darkness between his eyes. I feel dizzy as he gets close to me. Why so close? It is so close I can smell the vomit on his breath. It always smells like vomit. But it just makes me hunger for him more, to be near him, to see him smile, to give me strength. For I am so weak, so selfish to think this way. But when he smiles at me, I forget how weak I am. His arms, such strong arms, plant themselves behind, golden waves in his long head. The grin spreads wide, making my heart beat faster. I look away. I fear to look. To me, it's forbidden to look at one such as he directly. Father says we must humble ourselves before our brothers. But I am all too glad to do so for Narcissus. He calls me a mirror when I blush and look away. I am afraid he might not like me, but somehow I do not mind it, being called here. I want to be his dear girl. He is my fish cake, my Narcissus, and when he dreams for anything.